Welcome students. Today we will be seeing an important chapter in chemistry regarding board exam. This chapter, if you learn, you can expect many high weightage in this chapter. So the name of the chapter is carbon and its compound, which is very important chapter. More weightage you can expect. Important one 5-mark question also will be coming in this chapter. So I'll give the overall chapter gist of carbon and its compound. First topic, before going into the chapter, we want to know what is ionic compound and what is covalent compound or ionic bond or covalent bond. Ionic bond is nothing but transfer of electron is termed as ionic bond, whereas covalent bond, sharing of electron takes place. Since carbon and its compound, in this chapter will be concentrating more on covalent bond, that is sharing of electrons will be taking place. So the first board 2-mark question you can expect here is, what happens when carbon gains or loses 4 electrons? What happens when carbon gains or loses 4 electrons? First point, if carbon gains 4 electrons, it would be difficult for the nucleus to hold it, which means for the nucleus to hold it. What is the meaning of this? Means carbon, we'll consider. What is the atomic number for carbon? It is 6. Its electronic configuration is 2, 4. Since I have told covalent bond, sharing of electron will be taking place. So outermost shell must consist of 8 electrons. Here it consists of only 4 electrons. So how many electrons it should be required? 4 more electrons it needs. If it gains 4 electrons, usually an atom consists of a nucleus, first shell, second shell, which we used to tell as K shell, L shell. This K shell can accommodate 2 electrons. L shell can accommodate 8 electrons. Here only 4 electron alone it is been there. So another 4 electron if you add, it would be difficult for this nucleus to hold it. So this case is not possible. And the second one, okay, instead of gaining 4 electron, if it loses 4 electron, it requires a large amount of energy. It requires a lot amount of energy. What is the meaning of that? This point, which means that instead of, if it gains 4 electron, this nucleus will be difficult to hold it. If it loses 4 electron, just like that, we can't remove this 4 electron. It requires a large amount of energy. So this property is been overcoming by the concept called as sharing of electrons. So it can share electron with other carbon atoms or with other elements. It can share that 4 electrons with either with other carbon or with other elements like nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, like that it can be sharing. So this is an important first 2-mark board question. What happens when carbon gains or loses 4 electrons? This is your first question. And moving to the next concept, next topic, electron dot structure, how it will be sharing or how the electron dot structure is being done. So I'll give a simple example, and that also the most expected question, the electron dot structure for O2, oxygen. as well as nitrogen. How we can draw? First, oxygen. What is the atomic number for oxygen? It is 8. So its electronic configuration will be 2, 6. So I'll be drawing. Here it is oxygen. First shell 2 electron. Second shell 6 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for one oxygen. O2. For another oxygen I'll be drawing. So oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this 2 oxygen molecules requires 2 sharing of electron will be taking. Here 2 electron it requires, here also 2 electron requires, since our motive is to make the outermost shell 8. So sharing of electron will be taking place. So this electron will be shared here and this electron will be shared here. And what type of bond here it will be formed? Here double bond will be formed. So what is the oxygen bond formation? Double bond will be formed. This is one most expected question. And the second example will be for nitrogen. We'll go for nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number is 7. So how I'll write the electronic configuration? 2, 5. So for nitrogen, first shell 2 electron, second shell 5 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for another nitrogen molecules, K shell consists of 2 electron and the L shell consists of 3 electron. Our aim is to make what? Both the shells to be completely filled with 8 electron. So sharing of electrons will be taking place. So 1, 2, 3, which means this 3 electron will be shared here and this nitrogen molecule will share this 3 electron. So therefore the bond formed here, it is what? Triple bond. This is the most important, most expected 2 marks or 3 mark question, the electron dot structure for oxygen and nitrogen. So far we have discussed 2 questions for both. What happens when carbon gains or loses 4 electron, and electron dot structure for oxygen and nitrogen.